Hello and welcome. Today, me, Shreya Dhanvantri, and Pratik Gandhi are joining you with Shilpa to talk about our show Scam 1992, the Harshad Mehta story.
Well, yes,
Wow.
now that seems easy, but guys, I couldn't get it right. And we took two takes, so Shreya very thankfully stepped in for me. Shreya just goes to show what a great actor you are. You can even host.
Yeah, and the
This
Dhanyawad.
is
character
the
that she
only
played,
compliment.
no? The
Of
character that she
course,
played,
she played a
yeah.
journalist, of course. And this is not the
So,
only compliment you've received. Compliments are flowing in for you guys. Let me start off with you, Pratik, playing the title or character. What is the kind of feedback you've received? We know one already, that you look like Vijay Sethupathi with the mustache.
there are a lot of people who are saying that, where were you, man? All these years, where are you? I mean, and where have you come up from
Yeah,
suddenly
we
from
were just
nowhere?
talking about this.
So I said, yeah, I don't know. I was here. We were very much here around doing our bit. But yeah, so people are suddenly feeling that something brilliant has happened, which has never happened before. So never before phenomena and all those things that we have been, yeah, we've been reading all these comments on social media.
And the series is rated 9.6 on IMDb, currently the highest rated Indian series. Shreya, you've been part of another highest rated Indian series, The Family Man, of course. Not a new
True, actually.
experience
I
for
think
you.
Ladies' Room also was one of the highest rated series of the
Oh,
time.
yes, of
Yeah.
course, of course. And you are no stranger to being a star on the OTT platform. So,
उतना
yet
नहीं है.
another feather in your hat.
Yeah, yeah.
उतना नहीं है. But thank you, Shilpa.
श्रेया को बड़े बड़े रेटिंग्स की आदत है ऐसा.
Of
Listen,
course.
both of you, stop saying that.
Oh, you believe in Buri Nazar. Tell me, Shreya, how was it? I'm sure everyone's asked you this. Playing Sucheta Dalal, what was the kind of preparation you did? You already gotten the skin of the character for sure, because I think you talk like a journalist, you walk the talk. But tell me, was it fun learning what journalists do?
Well, this particular story was interesting for the both of us, for both me and Pratik, because he was essaying the titular role of Harshad Mehta, and I was
Yeah.
playing, and I am playing Sucheta Dalal, the person who wrote the book on which the show is based. So yeah, it was amazing to be a part of something that is a definitive change in our Indian history with terms of stocks and economics and everything that happened. This is actually a thing. It's not a drama. It's a slightly dramatized version of things, but it's not fiction. This is real. Like, this is non-fiction. This is a story where you say it's based on true events. We're playing real people. So the joy that comes from a challenge, it's like that is pretty killer.
Even though it's based on a true story, there can be a lot of spoilers. So, like I said, guys, I'm not done with the series, and the viewers are watching, so no spoilers at all. And Pratik, tell me, preparing for this role, how well versed are you with stocks in the first place, or did you learn as you went along, as we the viewers are doing?
Oh, I had to learn everything right from the beginning, that how the transactions used to happen back then without computers. So that was a very interesting part to know and learn. Those sign languages with which those jobbers used to trade in the
Mm.
ring, that you must have watched in the first season,
Yeah,
first
yeah, yeah, yeah,
episode.
like that, like that.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
yeah. What does it mean? What does this mean?
Oh, okay. This means it means 15, and this means 17 and a half. This might
Oh,
mean
okay.
it can be anything, and any transaction happens between the price range of 2 rupees 50 paisa.
Oh, okay.
There's something
So
like
like
this
that,
means
This,
also
like
there's
that.
a zero, na? ये एक zero
yeah,
add होता है ना?
there's
Hmm.
so this is 5. This can be 5, 50, even 5,000 or
Five. Yeah,
50,000
yeah,
this way. This is how you sell. This is how you buy. So all those things that we
yeah,
have to learn.
yeah, correct.
So now, do they still use these at BSc even today?
No, no, no. So earlier it used to happen without computer, being there. Now this everything is online. It's all digitized. So things have changed. The way stock market operates right now is different.
Now everyone documents their life every second. But back then, there weren't so many interviews, right? I mean, Sucheta, yes. But, be Harshad Mehta, very, very few interviews. So how did you prepare, Pratik, for the
No,
role?
no,
What
it's
did you
actually
base
the
your preparation?
opposite. It's actually the
opposite.
opposite. There were a lot
Oh,
more
Sucheta.
interviews because Harshad Mehta is he liked to live life flamboyantly. He liked people to know that he lived life flamboyantly. So there are a lot more interviews and a lot more video messages of him and articles of him. Whereas for
So it was
Sucheta
more
Dalal,
difficult
there's
for
only
you,
the written
Shreya.
word.
So was it
Hanji?
more difficult for you?
Yes and no. I think for both of us, because this is again due complete credit to Hansal, because we had the freedom to sort of play it in a much more realistic space as opposed to mimicking anything. So
Yeah.
yes and no.
All right. And what apart from the challenges of learning the job, learning the profession, and stepping into the shoes of the character, what other unanticipated challenges did you face on set?
I had to learn how to type on an on an 80s typewriter. It's harder than you think it is. It's much harder.
It was a difficult thing. Okay, the biggest challenge that I faced is to drive that old Fiat Duca car, and I could not fit in. So my knees were touching the steering, and I could not come out. I mean, I guess we took almost 3-4 takes just to make it right.
I would have never guessed those were the difficult parts, because you guys really breezed through everything. I couldn't really tell anything was difficult for you. But Pratik, please tell me, how different do you look currently here and in the series? You can just transform.
Yeah, I mean, though Shreya will not agree to this, but this time she has to agree to this, that I had put on 18 kgs of weight to look that big, fat, and huge. And so almost, I mean, obviously the thick mustache also helped me get into the look of, as far as close as possible to Harshad Mehta. And I had played around with my voice a little bit to show that age transition of Harshad Mehta, right from the first season to right from the first episode to the last 10th episode, which you are yet to watch. So I will not say much about it. Even the look transformation, I will not say much about it.
Okay, there's a transformation. I'm looking forward to that. That should be fun. What I'm learning a lot from this series is Gujarati. So being a Gujarati must have helped you for sure.
Oh yes, absolutely. Yeah, it was one of the criterias, I guess. Maybe, I mean, it played a major role in me getting selected for this character.
And what played a major role in you getting selected for the character, Shreya, apart from the fact that you're a fabulous actor?
I should really stop making these faces. So this is okay. What happened was, I found out that Hansal was doing a show and I really wanted to audition. So I went to Mukesh Chabra's office. Indu was there. She was auditioning me. And usually in an office, in the casting office, if you've gone, आपको वहाँ पे एक बड़ा सा board है where there might be the characters' names and pictures, or there are names of like potential people, right? So I saw Sucheta Dalal, and I saw 10 names. 10 very amazing, accomplished names who, like, those names, I was a fan of those names, right? Now, two things could have happened in this scenario. Like, I could have looked at those names and like, ye bhagwan, yaar, ye nahi hone wala, whatever, what am I doing here? Or I could leave. The other thing that happened was what actually happened. I looked at those names, I'm like, oh, excellent. There is no chance I'm going to get it, so let me have fun. So I went and I had fun at the audition. And clearly they liked something, because now, Shilpa, I'm talking to you.
Of course, and you played the part to the T for sure. I think of you as this really sharp business journalist. And of course, I want to ask you for stock market tips, Pratik. But let me see, you guys really live the character. But I think I want to put it to the test, guys. So if you're with me, can we play a quick quiz? These are abbreviations from the stock market. And now I think you have many of them feature in the show. So I think you guys have a good chance of acing this. So whoever has the answer first, put it up, put your hand up. So then, all right. SEBI, SEBI. Yes.
Securities and Exchange Board of India.
Yes. AMC.
Huh?
AMC. Asset management company.
Asset management company. Okay.
Harshad, you should have known this. GDP. Yes,
Gross domestic product.
Yeah, gross domestic product. Yeah, तो ठीक है.
Okay, this one, Harshad, you have to get this for sure.
Okay.
IPO.
Initial public offering.
Yeah,
Oh, that is correct. Oh my God, Sucheta, you're killing this. Okay,
Finance
okay,
journalist.
I tell you where is it coming from.
where?
See,
Shreya's
see.
father is a finance man.
Hey,
Oh,
that's not
And
necessary.
she
Please.
has taken personal tuition from him.
Oh,
Kamine.
method acting. Okay, okay, let me see. This one, you guys are going to get it for sure. IRDA.
I don't know.
I
Pratik, take it.
वो subject to
IRDA,
market
come on.
risk वाला IRDA है.
Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. Okay,
Acha,
ठीक है. I think
You should give him the
okay, I'll
point.
give you that one. Yeah,
Yeah, you should give him the point.
yeah, we'll give him points for that. Okay. NEAT. NEAT. NEAT.
He's
I forgot.
freed,
I
don't
remember.
know.
I forgot this.
Oh, National Stock Exchange Automated Trading. You knew this?
Oh,
You knew this, Shreya?
No, now it doesn't sound
Okay.
familiar at all.
Okay. CRR.
see,
CRR.
CRR,
Cash.
correct?
CRR.
Cash reserve ratio.
Oh, yes,
Ah.
that's correct. That is indeed right. Okay. CRISIL. CRISIL.
CRISIL, no? Credit rating. It's credit
Yeah.
rating, right?
Credit rating.
India,
Correct.
security, something.
Yeah. Okay, you guys got it. Credit Rating Information Services of
Service-
India Limited.
That
CRISIL,
only.
yeah,
वही
CRISIL
है.
score.
We were going
Wait,
to say
wait,
it,
wait.
Very. Guys, after watching this series, I have decided I'm going to quit my job and I'm going to dabble in the stock market and I'm going to make it big. Did
Why
you guys
Oh
is
my
everybody
God.
telling us this, Pratik? We're giving people the wrong information.
Yeah.
No, this is
Yeah,
right, Shreya. We also should do this.
Yeah.
That's true.
You know, watching
should do
the
this.
series, I'm very inspired. What you have to do is you have to research. Then you have to find out what's going on. Then I need some inside people. And that's it. Even I can do it, na? So, you know,
ये तो मार्केट का
using-
मसाला कैसे बनता है बता दिया इन्होंने.
Exactly. Yeah. Market का मसाला, exactly. थोड़ा risk भी डालना पड़ता है. So that
थोड़ा
is why
risk
you
भी
get
अरे
डालना
the
रिस्क
job.
में तो
Yeah.
इश्क है.
हाँ, risk
Yes,
में
risk में isk hai. So that's why you have to quit your job to sprinkle that risk on top. That's why everyone is telling you this.
Perfect.
But
So
everyone
yeah, I
is
mean,
telling you
first
this.
you
right?
release our interview and then leave your job.
Yes, for sure. So guys, have you gone ahead and invested or something, dabbled in the stock market after this? You must have.
Not yet.
Not
I'm yet
yet.
to learn a lot of things about it. Yeah.
Yes, we really doing a show. I mean, we've learned 10%. Maybe if it comes to 50-60, तब जाके invest करेंगे. अभी थोड़ा
हाँ,
risk averse. We are little risk
This-
averse.
All right. What about people? Have they come and told you though that they have done these things, that they have gone and maybe invested, maybe been inspired to invest, maybe inspired to learn more about the stock market? Any such feedback?
Oh, there
Yeah,
are a
today-
lot of feedbacks like this. Yes. I mean, in
Today
fact, a lot of
itself
people are
somebody
saying
told
that.
us.
Yeah. Even people are saying that we don't know anything about. There are a lot of people who said that I don't know anything about the financial world and stock market and all.
Yeah.
But after watching the series, I am intrigued to know more about it, learn more about it, and even invest. And in fact, the best comments have come from the people who are very, very active in stock market.
Yeah, that's true.
Wow.
It's pretty awesome when people who are very like in the day-to-day subject of stock trading and all of that, and they appreciate what we've done. It's that's the highest praise, I feel.
And people
Well,
of
enjoy the compliment.
people of that time of 19 and 80s, those who were very active in stock market during 90s, they have loved it. They said we almost relived our time. They
Yeah.
time traveled to that time and all. So
Yeah.
that's a brilliant comment.
And I'm getting a lot of that from the journalists as well, and from like news officers and a lot of people, which is pretty cool. Yeah, because I have a lot of good journalist friends who are very like they were very wary of watching my portrayal because they're like, hey Bhagwan, it'll be like, you know, there'll be some tapping something and then they'll be like, oh, pata chal gaya. So like वैसा नहीं है, so it's good.
But enjoy the compliments, guys. They're only going to keep coming in more and more. So enjoy, ride the wave of success. It has been so much fun talking to you, and now I have to get back to watching the series. So thanks a lot. It was so
Thank
much
you.
fun chatting with the two of you.
Same here, likewise.
Same here.
Thank you.
Thank
So
you.
will there be another season?
Maybe there will be a scam with some other scam. Maybe we'll be playing completely different characters. Maybe I'm doing the scam and he's exposing. You never know.
There
Yeah.
is no dearth
But
of
बदला तो
scams.
लूंगा मैं.
There is no dearth of scams, so आते रहेंगे. Now I'm very confident. For sure. There are many scams to explore, and I'm looking forward to that. Thank you, guys. Thanks so much for
Thank
joining
you.
me today. Thank you. Bye.